Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make the smartest buying decisions. Today, we're putting two hot drones head-to-head, the Holystone HS-430, or as we call it, the Pocket Rocket, and the Focke Brushless Motor Drone, which we're dubbing the Wind Whisperer. So buckle up because it's going to be a wild ride. First up is everyone's favorite topic: price. The Holystone HS-430 comes in at a wallet-friendly $77. Meanwhile, the Focke Brushless Motor Drone is asking for a bit more love at $119. So if you're on a budget, the Pocket Rocket might be your new best friend. But hey, who needs food when you have a drone, right? Next, let's talk cameras. Both drones boast a 1080p HD camera. The Holystone's camera is like that friend who always has a selfie stick ready, while the Focke takes it up a notch with a 135 degrees motorized adjustable lens. It's like comparing a point-and-shoot to a professional photographer who also moonlights as a contortionist. Reviewers say the Holystone's camera takes great still photos and is better than expected for its price. Meanwhile, the Focke is praised for good pictures, but noted to have shaky video. Fly time. The Holystone gives you nearly half an hour of airtime with its two modular LiPo batteries. That's like watching an episode of your favorite sitcom while your drone does the cha-cha in the sky. On the other hand, Focke doesn't specify its exact flight time, but with those brushless motors, it's like having a Prius in the air, efficient and long-lasting. Reviewers of the Focke mention almost 20 minutes of flight time on a single battery charge. So if you're marathon flying, the Wind Whisperer might outlast your attention span. How about portability? The Holystone HS-430 is so compact it could fit in your pocket. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Focke, on the other hand, is a bit bulkier but still manageable. Think of it as carrying around a small pet, adorable but might need its own seat in the car. So if you're the type who likes to travel light, the Pocket Rocket wins this round. Reviewers love the Holystone's lightweight and compact design, while the Focke is noted for being manageable but not as portable. Now, let's dive into special features. The Holystone HS-430 flaunts high-speed rotation, circle fly, trajectory flight, and even voice control. It's like having a drone that also doubles as your personal circus performer. Focke counters with level 4 wind resistance, custom path flight, and 3D flips. It's basically the drone equivalent of a Swiss Army knife that also has a PhD in engineering. Reviewers highlight Focke's wind resistance and custom path flight as standout features. So if you want a drone that can juggle while doing calculus, the Wind Whisperer might just be it. Finally, ease of use. The Holystone is perfect for beginners with its headless mode, emergency stop, and one-key takeoff landing. It's like training wheels for your drone adventures. Focke isn't far behind with similar features, but throws in optical flow positioning and gesture control. Reviewers mention that Holystone is easy to set up and fun to use, while Focke is praised for being suitable for both beginners and experienced users. So if you're looking for a drone that's as easy to fly as ordering pizza, both drones have you covered, but Focke might just be the extra cheese on top. Overall, reviewers find the Holystone HS-430 to be a great value for its price, easy to use, and fun for both beginners and experienced users. On the other hand, the Focke Brushless Motor Drone receives mixed reviews. While it is praised for its advanced features and good customer service, some users have experienced issues with malfunction and connectivity. So there you have it, folks. The Holy Stone HS-430, aka the Pocket Rocket, and the Factjank Brushless Motor Drone, aka the Wind Whisperer. Both have their highs and lows, but ultimately, it's up to you to decide which one fits your flying fantasy. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd take to the skies. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Buy Smart comparisons. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.